How to use Homescom Honest Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Homescom is a popular platform for buying, selling and renting real estate, but beginners often make mistakes that waste time or miss opportunities. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not refining search filters. Most people get this wrong by browsing all listings at once. Use filters like price range, property type, square footage, and neighborhood to save time and find relevant options faster. Second mistake, neglecting property alerts. You won't believe how quickly listings move. Homescom allows you to set up email or app alerts for new properties matching your criteria. Activate these to stay ahead. Third mistake, ignoring property history and comps. The surprising truth is many users skip researching past sales and comparable properties, which is key to evaluating price fairness. Homescom offers tools to compare prices and trends. Use them before making offers. Fourth mistake, underestimating the importance of contacting agents early. Beginners often wait too long. Reach out promptly to schedule viewings or ask questions about listings. It improves your chances of securing the property. Finally, failing to save favorite properties is common. Use the platform's favorites feature to track and compare options. This keeps your search organized and makes decision-making easier. Using Homescom properly means refining searches, enabling alerts, reviewing property data, contacting agents quickly, and saving favorites. Avoid these mistakes, and your home search will be faster, smarter, and more successful.